It was going guys, coming in the year last video we've taught our engine to defend the group of stones if it has two liberties, and in this video we're going to be applying exactly the same algorithm as before to actually teach it to surround the group of stones that user is playing with. So the idea is very simple. Previously what the algorithm was doing, so we have a look at this evaluate function down below here. So it was looking over the liberties that it have, and it was putting the stone on the board at the current liberty, and it was figuring out whether after he counts the liberties again, whether the overall amount of liberties would be extended or not. So that's and the move that results in the biggest numbers, the biggest numbers of liberties would be considered as the best defensive move, because it allows to have even more liberties. Now for surrounding logic, this is exactly the same. And imagine that if we put not the white stone to extend, but the black stone to exact the same liberty, right? So to prevent white from defending its group of stones. So surrounding is literally exactly the same thing as extending, but with the opposite color. And the way how we can apply this is very, very simple. So let's consider this piece of code for defending the group, and all we need to do is simply to do exactly the same thing, but for the opposite color. So here I just calmly grab the code and let's comment this out, because as I said before, I just want to test them in separate, and paste here. So here we want to surround opponents group, right? So match. Now we want to match opponents group. So 3 minus color in this case, and we're counting for 3 minus color, right? And if group has two liberties, yes, this is the same. Best liberty, evaluate the color. Best move is best liberty, and here I just say surround is equal to best liberty. And this is pretty much all about it. So if I did everything properly, it should now be working like a charm. So surround move, right? And yeah, let's actually see if it's gonna be working. So I'm going back to the Sabaki GUI. Don't save. Okay, stop, detach, update the engine to 11.py, close. Wally plain white, and here we go. So okay, so for some reason he generates the random move still, and not trying to this is a bit strange. Oh, that's probably goes because I obviously need to change the color here as well, and not equals to 2, but actually if it's just bigger than 1, so if it has more than 1 liberty, then it's already okay to start surrounding. So we literally want to surround whatever group all of the time. So let's have a look. So I play make it play as white, generate move, and currently already so like it makes the surround move. So if I go here, for instance, it's still surrounding me. Okay, so still surrounding me, tries to surround, and it won't capture next because currently captures are actually being disabled. But anyway, I think you got the overall idea. So it would now try to reduce the liberties of your own group in the most efficient way, hopefully. And yeah, then once it found another group, it would be trying to reduce. So like it's trying to surround this group currently. And yeah, it's really interesting. So it potentially may even go for a ladder-like pattern in order to do this, because when it tries to extend, it falls into the ladder. Hence, it's quite possible that it would be trying to generate the ladder in case of trying to surround the stones. So yeah, this is it from my side in regards to how to surround the group of stones by the AI, and the next video is going to be even more interesting because we're going to be implementing the priorities of which of four types, which of the most of out of four types is going to be considered as the best one, depending on the logic that we're supposed to be providing there. So stay tuned until the next time and take care.